Hello! Today is January 1st, the start of the new year, and I'm beginning the Ice Bath Challenge. You might look at me here and think it's cold. Yes, it is. 5 degrees to be exact. But the cold is the last thing on my mind. Why? Because what you focus on grows. Concentrate on the cold and it's become unbearable. But instead, I focus inward and I discover something powerful. Cold is just a sensation, and I'm more than that. When I'm in this water, I'm not thinking about the cold, I'm meditating, I'm traveling inside myself, learning who I am each day. I practice a different meditation, focusing on what I want to grow, whether it's resilience, inner peace, or happiness. This is more than a physical challenge, it's a practice for life. What we give our attention to grows. So I chose to focus on strength, growth, and the person I want to become. This challenge is about proving to myself and maybe to you too that limits are all in the mind. We are not our mind, we are so much more than that. Every time I step into the water, I remind myself of this truth. Change is possible and happiness is within reach when we shift our focus. I found the key to my happiness and I'm here to share it with you. Each day this January, I'll talk about a life lesson, skills we can practice to bring more joy and meaning into our lives. This is my way of showing you who I was, who I am now, and proving that transformation is possible. Today I'm in Luzern, Switzerland, standing by this stunning lake. The water is freezing, but I feel alive and happy. This challenge isn't easy, but that's exactly why I'm doing it. To remind myself and you that growth lies beyond our comfort zone. Let's make this January a time of growth and transformation. I'm here with my hourglass, which lasts 3 minutes, and it reminds me that even in the cold, I can focus, meditate, and grow stronger. Happy New Year! Let's start strong and do this together. فکر کنم جایی که بخوام برم تا گردم توی آب باشم ساعتمو ندیدم. خب 3 دقیقه‌ام که تموم شد به هم اعلام کن که 3 دقیقه‌ام تموم شده.
ساعت تو باید بری دستم.
ها؟
ساعت تو باید بری دستم.
ساعتو آره دیگه میذاریم اونجا. هلو. Freezing.
It's very refreshing.
Yeah.
Fresh start in the new year.
Yeah. There is a challenge. The challenge.org is for January 20. The Ice Bath Challenge for January.
Okay.
You can search it on Instagram.
I don't have my phone by me. What is it called again?
The challenge.
Yeah.
.org. Yeah.
Dot.
Org. ORRG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a look.
Yeah. You can just document it.
Okay.
And it's encouraging for other people.
Yeah, I do it
As well.
from the office side. Once a week, twice a week when it's.
Okay. This one is every day.
Okay. Every day.
January for every day.
Okay.
Yeah. And there is prizes, and the point is not that one, but it's a challenge that we can push the limits. Yeah. Okay, I'm going. Bye. بچرخونی؟ بیا تا ازش بگیر بچرخونی.
هر وقت بچرخونم بگو. دیگه تشه. تموم شد.
Oh my god, it's amazing. It's amazing. recent life. Yeah, I don't have.
تو بود.
یه دونه لیک دارم
سریعا لگو بپوش پک و پلو قشنگ بهارشون خود بگو بالا پوشیدم چی داشته میگرفته که پوشیدم چی داشته میگرفته بریلیان یخ زده یک عدد بریلیان یخ زده
Of wood in the sun and wide. This is supposed to open here.
Sheila, you're a good girl. Sheila, where are you going? آره چیزی بپوش.